Hi, this is Tom Antreasian down in Los Lunas. I have a great story about one of my motorcycles. Not particularly valuable, but a heartwarming story for me. This is a 1956 JB, I think originally a Hercules, and who would want one? Pretty obscure little thing, not worth a lot, but it's got, again, a nice story. A really good friend of mine, a dear friend, many years ago, had one of these as his first motorcycle. And the fun thing is, he rode it everywhere around Albuquerque. And I've never even heard of one. Anyway, we met many years later. He had moved on. He became a Honda motorcycle dealer, but always remembered his first bike. So I never forgot that, and so I always had my eye out to find one to give him as a gift. Eventually, one came up in a junkyard south of Albuquerque and Belen that was in horrible shape. Someone had taken an axe to the tank, who knows why. So I still determined I'm going to restore this for my friend because it felt right. I talked to a lot of my friends, old buddies from way back in the day. People told me a lot of great stories. As slowly I gathered parts for this thing, we got it done, took it up there, and you should have seen his face. It was a Charlie Brown kind of a crinkled smile, and he almost cried. Well, he couldn't do that because he was a tough guy. But it was worth all of the work, and I thought later, why did I try so hard on that gas tank? Because it was so bad. But seeing that smile made it all worthwhile. And that's one of the great reasons I still am involved with this hobby. The friends you meet, the friendships you make, makes it all worthwhile.
This is Eva.
And I'm Heather.
With New Mexico Biker Lawyer, a local law firm focused on motorcycle cases.
With more than 20 years' experience, we handle your motorcycle case from start to finish. It doesn't matter what you ride, NMBL is by your side.